Look where I am. Look at this. Immediately hit a buck. Hello, welcome to another little vlog. Catskills. Following my mom to our friend's house for a little bit of breakfast before I head back to New York City. So this will not be a long vlog. This is just a little one. She wants to introduce me to her new friends, so why not? Dangerous. They're going a little bit fast. Well, not really. I just don't like road tires on a dirt road. Not a big fan. Not a big fan. Everything is dusty, everything is dirty. It's awful. Dust. Eek. I'm all dusty head to toe at this point. And I'm pretty sure my mom lied, and it's more than a mile. She's like, oh, it's a mile, it'll take 5 minutes. And I was like, which one is it? A mile or 5 minutes or what? But I'm pretty sure it's farther. Distances don't matter. Everything is relative. The issue is that I'm gonna have to ride this bullshit back. Fuck. Is this it? No. That's a shame. Alright. Beautiful. Gotta be close. Jeez Louise. There it is. There it is. Look at this beautiful property. Not bad at all. Big long driveway. Look at this beautiful. What is that? Those are turkeys. Those are wild turkeys. There's 4 of them. We'll stop here. Not bad. Look where I am. Pretty amazing. So this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're going to do. go. Let's go like this. There we go. Beautiful. And I'm 100% wearing thermals and shit, which I'm about to peel off. There's no need for any of these thermals. There we go. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous thing. Alright, ladies and gents, we're leaving the Catskills and heading back to New York City the long way. I hope I don't run out of gas. I don't think I will, but I guess you never know. Didn't think of that. Nine miles of range left. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. 11. We're gonna be alright. This road is about to turn to pavement. Little woodland creature. There we go, 13 miles. We'll make it. We'll get gas. Any second now, this road will turn to pavement. There we go. Look at this road. This magical road. This is what I truly love. I know people like to see New York City and this and that, but this is my piece. Look at this road. It's freaking exquisite. Straight up magical. Stops. Imagine building this road. That must have been a task. "22 miles of range." Alright, we'll make it. We'll be alright after all. Rushed out this morning a little bit because had to meet some friends, and only had like one coffee. I'm actually sad. I normally have at least 2, maybe 3. "54 degrees. That's why I'm wearing my heated gloves. Not turned on or anything, but still a bit chilly. Still a bit refreshing. Look at that. Nice little turn. In the winter, this road is treacherous, man. I drove this in the winter once. Whoa. That was sketchy. I was in a lean and I hit a rock. Well, yeah, but I drove this in a winter once, and that was a bad mistake. So fresh, holy cow. It's legit like overwhelmingly refreshing. Damn, it's chilly. 52 degrees over here. There we go. Rainbow Lodge. It's a gorgeous little restaurant. To see some shit once I hit Route 10. But yeah, I'm glad for the layers now. I would have been straight up cold without them. 50 degrees, man. 50 degrees. August 30th. End of August. Somebody's underwear. Beautiful. There we go. Beautiful Road 10. Look at this. Hit a buck. There we go. Now we're cooking with butter immediately. Expo-fucking-viciously. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wide open. 48 degrees. How? How? Look at these planes here. Look at this. Holy shit, dude. I forgot how beautiful this road is, this section here. gorgeous. Alright, ladies and gents, I'm glad we slowed down because we just used up mad gas. Now I have 13 miles left of range. We'll figure it out. We shall figure it out. Beautiful. So yeah, the Catskills, ladies and gents, the Catskills. Oh, that's a really good pull off here. Boat access. Kind of a fan. Right to the left there. Cool little spot. I like it a lot. Right over here. Walk down to the river. Lovely. Lovely. Alright. I'm not gonna bore you with this. Maybe I'll pick up another vlog a little bit later. But for now, I shall talk to you soon. Thank you for watching as always. Bye.